spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, Umusa Kaula always brings the news, whether they are true or they are not true. We are there, right? And then he reports Kelvin Momo is suing Kabza De Small for R1 million. Kelvin Momo is saying Kabza De Small failed to adequately promote his music commercially. The two entered into a distribution deal contact whereby Kabza De Small was supposed to take Kelvin Momo's music to the masses. I guess he did not do that. And I liked the comment from Chris Axel. Chris Axel commented, I know, Lord. Pori is involved. Hey guys, where there's fire, there's Pori. Where there's smoke, there's Pori. But yeah, Kevin Momo wants what is his, and what is his will be given to him. I believe so. But okay, let us see what Kabza De Small has to say for himself. Do like, share, and subscribe.